Hello Ugandans, on 15th January 2026, vote Umbrella for Better Uganda. Pearl stolen by its keepers. A poem for Uganda. Uganda is a land blessed by God himself, gold under our mountains so rich enough to feed generations. Somehow our leaders have turned blessings into their personal buffet. They eat the gold, they drink the oil. But somehow our leaders, they swallow every dream meant for the children of this land. This is the pearl of Africa, but the hands meant to protect it are the same hands squeezing the life out of it. They promised us light, but left us in darkness. They promised roads, but left us with dust. They promised freedom, then chained our voices with their greed. Our mothers cry in silence. Our youth walk in circles with broken dreams. Our nation bleeds. Our nation bleeds, not because we are poor, but because they keep stealing what belongs to all of us. Gold, they took it. Oil, they divided it. Hope, they auctioned it. Yet still, Uganda refuses to die. Because the real strength of this land is not the resources under the ground. It is the people standing on it. One day the hands that steal will grow weak. One day the truth will roar louder than corruption. One day the pearl will shine again. Not for the few, but for all of us. Ugandans, we are not done fighting for you. Not today, not ever. Uganda, my motherland, pearl of Africa shining in God's own.